Kia ora Te Whānau, Grant here with a New Year's message for you. Very similar to last year, not much has changed. Goals are out, habits are in. I spoke previously, about 12 months ago actually, about the importance of setting habits, to the point that sometimes setting goals can be a little bit pointless if they're not backed up by habits. So therefore, work out what habits you need to implement to achieve the goal, and see if you can do that for a set period of time, 5 days, 10 days, 2 weeks. If you can do that over a certain period of time, the likelihood of achieving that goal then skyrockets. It goes through the roof. You've now demonstrated that you can do what needs to be done to achieve that goal, versus setting a goal in the first place and not having the consistency behind you, not having the fortitude to be able to go through and do the things that need to be done to achieve that goal. Start with the habits before the goals. Habits first, goals come second.